All right, so we're here right now to shrink wrap our features here at Railroad Green right in Warwick. We put these in a little earlier this year, so this is the first time they're gonna be getting closed down, wrapped up. So we're gonna go through the type of gun we use to shrink wrap and how we exactly shrink wrap the different urns, spheres, and bowls, etc. like that. Hope you dressed warm, Brian.
Oh yeah, I didn't, but we'll make do.
Our features just to prevent any water from building up in the top and possibly cracking them in the winter when it freezes. So we're gonna go ahead and cut our shrink wrap to size for these urns. It unfolds, so we like to cut it in a nice length, and then we cut it to shape and wrap it with the wire we got over there. You also want to make sure you have a nice sharp razor blade for this. It makes your job a lot easier. Go ahead and cover the whole top of the sphere, making sure that wrap goes all the way down to the bottom. And then we're gonna go ahead and cut the excess, and we're gonna drape another piece going over the other way so we can fully get this wrap. Might be a little short. Oh, it's hard to tell.
You should know the measurements by now.
You know, Gary, you're right. You're right. I should know the measurements.
You should have calculated that through the square root.
I should know the exact dimensions of this plastic right now.
Oh, that's 100% fact.
That is right. Yeah, so you kind of want to bring it down 2/3 of the way down, so it's right below where the urn is the widest. I like to go in with the wire cutters and give it an extra little spin.
It's like a big snowball, dude.
Yeah.
Here we have our shrink fast torch. We just started using it this year. This is what they use to shrink wrap boats, and this makes our job a lot easier than those typical propane torches that we've seen. So it comes with the gun, the attachment for the propane, and a wrench to tighten it down. We pretty much take this, and I like to go in with the wrench and just crank it down just a little bit more just to be extra safe. Do that on as well. Little extra turn. Make sure your valve's closed, turn on the propane, and once you're ready to go, you turn this on, ready to go. Right, don't be scared there. It's just a little flame. So you kind of, when you're shrink wrapping, you kind of want to just go evenly, nice and light, starting in the middle, working your way towards the top. And this gun also has a nice long hose with it, so it makes it a lot easier to maneuver around the features as you're shrink wrapping. Nice and slow, not staying on any spot too long, because you will rip a nice little hole in it and have to redo it. So you want the shrink wrap to be nice and tight all around the sphere. You want the middle to be kind of like a trampoline, and then we're gonna go ahead and cut all the excess away from around the bottom. Yeah, we don't want to waste any pieces, so we like to use those scrap pieces and use those for like the smaller things like the bowls and such, so we're not wasting much plastic.
We care about the environment here at Fountainscape Boy.
Save the turtles. You just want to make sure at the very end that all the center pieces, they're kind of bouncy like a trampoline. You kind of want to be able to play the drums on them like this. You can either leave the wire on the edges, or you can remove that. I like to personally leave it just in case any wind flows or anything, so the wraps don't blow away. But you're more than go ahead and remove those if you would like. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn those post notifications on. Drop a like if you enjoyed this video, and comment down below if any of these tips were helpful for you. Make sure you follow us at Garden State Koi on Instagram. If you want to see more of me, follow me at BE the Koi Guy. Peace.